Welcome back. This is Samm. Today we'll be solving this problem, as you can see. So if you're excited to solve with me, let's go. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, so we have x cubed equals to 30 cubed plus 40 cubed plus 50 cubed. Okay, x cubed is equal to 3 times 10 cube, yes, plus 40 is 4 multiplied by 10 cube, and 50 is 5 multiplied by 10 cube. Okay, so we can share the cube to the elements in the bracket. So this will give us 3 cube multiplied by 10 cube plus 4 cube multiplied by 10 cube plus 5 cube multiplied by 10 cube. Okay, so from this now 10 cube is common to all three, so we can bring out 10 cube and here we'll have 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube. So we just factorized, so 10 cube is common, then we'll have 3 cube, 4 cube and 5 cube. Yeah, so what do we do from here? So we'll have 10 cube into 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 16, that's 64, 5 cube is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, that's 1, 2, 5. Alright, so this will give us 10 raised to the power 3 multiplied by, if we add all of these three together, we'll have 6, 1, 2. So our x cube will be equal to 10 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 6 raised to the power 3. Yes, so this can give us 10 multiplied by 6 all raised to the power 3, following what we applied here. Alright, let's move up to round up. So this gives us x raised to the power 3 equal to 60 raised to the power 3. And since the powers are equal, we can equate the bases. So x is equal to 60. Yeah, so that's it. Our x is 60. Yeah, so if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe so that you can keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical problems. I remain Samm.